Today's topic is Mapplet. So Mapplet basically we are using for reusable concept. For example, if you want to create the same logic in multiple mappings, instead of creating multiple times, we can create single maplet with the same condition, connections, everything. So this maplet we can reuse a number of times in a number of mappings. I'll give you one example how we are creating maplets and how we are using these maplets in the mapping designer. So first create a new maplet here. So this maplet I am creating with expression and filter. Okay, so first maplet input and output, these are the two transmission we are using in the maplet designer. So using this we will get input and output ports in the maplet. So here manually we can add the columns. Okay, like this we can add, or if you want to take the columns from source, you can just drag and drop this source and we can take the columns. Okay, just delete this. So now we got columns, right? So from here, same like mapping, here also we can take the transmissions. Okay, select all, drag and drop from into filter. So here also we have mapping maplet variables and parameters concept. Here also we can create and we can use. And from here to expression. So expression is passive, we can bypass the columns, so we can take the required columns into expression, the other columns we can bypass to the target, but here I'm taking all columns directly. Okay, so here I'm creating the condition. Department number equal to 30. Okay, for department 30 I'm creating the bonus here in expression. So I'm filtering department 30 details, and to the 30th department I'm giving bonus. Okay, this is integer. So what is the condition? Direct bonus I'm giving 2000. Okay, if you want to check any condition you can check. So here drag and drop this bonus column also. Maplet, validate and save. So instead of creating this filter and expression in the mapping, we created here. So this maplet, if you want to use in your mapping or if you want to use in any other mappings, we can use. So a number of times we can use, but here we have some restrictions. Sequence generator and lookup will not take here, because in sequence generator you are using that sequence generator, other people are also using the same maplet. The sequence generator value, we have the caches, so the values are increasing. Like you generated 100 records, so when other people are using at that time, they will get from 101. So because of that reason we are not using sequence generator in the maplet designer. Okay, and next is I'm creating a new mapping for this maplet. Maplet underscore mapping. Okay, our source is EMP and I'm creating a target with the bonus column, or we have one target with the bonus column. I'll use that. Okay, just I'm generating again. So here Scott and tiger. Okay, so next transmission is Mapplet we need to take. Any other transmissions are not required. If you want to apply any other conditions, you can use using Mapplet also. We can use other transmissions also. Okay, so here we got input ports and output ports. So based on the mapping design, we will get this. Okay, so select all columns here, drag and drop from into input. So from output to target, save it, go to workflow, create a new workflow, Mapplet, mapping. So give the connections to the source and target. Got new connection and target also same. Got new connection. These are the transmissions which we used in the Mapplet. Run it. So we got 7 records because we have the filter department 30. So we can see the data here. So 30 department details with bonus is 2000 for each and every employee. Okay. So this is the Mapplet. Thank you.